We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2015 Honda Grom in red and black. The Honda Groms are a 125cc engine, so they are not freeway legal, but they are so much fun to ride around on surface streets. This is a great beginner bike, or just a great little hop around town on side street bike too. And this one is really, really clean. They're extremely light, really nimble. I've gotten them to go maybe 70 miles an hour downhill with a tailwind. They also only have 4 gears. So challenge accepted. Miles on this one are only 307. This thing isn't even broken in yet. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles. We're located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.